Welcome to our Global Commerce. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel. If you like our content, please share it, like it, and comment on it. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about the practical auditing. In practical auditing, we are going to discuss the objectives of practical auditing. This objective has been divided into two divisions. One is primary objectives and another one is an secondary objectives. In today's session, we are going to discuss only about the primary objectives. That is, first one is to examine the accuracy of the books of accounts, and second one is to express the opinion on the financial statements. First one, under primary objectives, verify the arithmetical accuracy of the books of account. In general, books of account means it is an financial statements which has to be recorded in the current year, that is an assessment year. All the transactions should be recorded in the books of accounts as per the assessment year, that is known as an financial assessment of books of account. These things has to be verified by the auditor. That is, if any arithmetic accuracy of the books of account means, arithmetical means it is an mathematical, we have to check the books of accounts what per the date they have been calculated, and the total amount which has been correctly managed and recorded in the books of accounts should be properly verified only by the auditor, because he has all the types of responsibilities and then rules, and he has an only one and only he having the all duties and responsibilities to verify the arithmetical accuracy of the books of an account. Second one is verify the existence and value of assets and liabilities of the companies. He need to check whether the asset value as well as the liabilities values. If any land and building has been sold, or land and building has been get into the company, or any plant and machinery, any fixed asset, whatever it is, whatever the asset has been made in the auditing or made in the company's financial statements, those things perfectly need to be audited by the auditor. And next thing is on liabilities. If any current liabilities or any profit, that is net profit or any net loss or any type of capital has been invested in the company, those things has to be accurately checked by the auditor, that is verified by the auditor. And third one is verify whether all the statutory requirements on maintaining the book of account has been complied with. That is statutory requirements, that is necessary requirements which has to be maintained in the trading account, profit and loss account, machinery account, like this n number of accounts are there. Those things has to be required and checked by the auditor with the complied. That is, complied means it is nothing but an perfect auditing should be made by the auditor. Next one is to express opinion on financial statements. This express opinion on financial statement has been divided into four categories, that is like asset, liabilities, revenue, expenditure. Asset means, under asset, as I said above in the examine the accuracy of books of accounts, same like that, asset means the value of a closing stock, debtors, next bills receivable, those things need to be checked by the auditor under the assets. Next thing is on liabilities. He need to check the profit and loss balance, creditors balance, credit side, bills payable, any outstanding expenses means, then that also need to be checked by the auditor under liabilities checkout. Next one is revenue. If any collection from the companies or any collection related to the financial institutions or whatever it is, those revenues has to be recorded in the financial statements. That also need to be checked by an auditor. Next one is expenditure. If any expenditure has been made by an auditor, made by an company, those things has to be checked by an auditor with an expenses. All sort of expenses has to be clearly recorded and verified one and only by the auditor. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our content, please share it, like it, and comment on it. You need to know our latest updates. Please subscribe our channel.